Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in the previous video in the UI side, I have explained how you can send the data to the backend and how you will get the data from the backend with the help of the backend code as well. So if you have not watched those videos, please watch and you will get to know how you can do as a backend setup and all. Okay. So I will show you once again here. We just entering some any values. So based on the UI validation I have done with the help of reactive forms. So here you can see we having a 13 records, and where we can see the a student id 8 is in different place, right? It's supposed to be in the sequence sorting order, it is not there. So that's supposed to be correct data. For example, if you want to bind some data, it will get misaligned, right? The sequence number of count, it will be in different, right? So for that purpose you have to do as a sorting. Okay, so that how you can resolve that one, so I will tell in the next video. Okay, so for today I will tell the different how you can do the UI side and how the UI side I have made it. Okay, so let's sign up it, and here we can see the data will get sent to the backend once it is got successfully saved. Here we can see I have called the get method as well. So earlier it was a 13 record, now it's become as a 14 once the data is got saved successfully to the backend. Here you can see all the record is got inserted. This is the last record. Okay, so this is the part of previous video. So today I'm going to tell you how you can make this a toolbar. So see, what is the purpose of to making this as a toolbar now? So from here I will start to make as a complete setup how you can create one project. Okay, so many things I have explained about loader, spanners, translations, toaster message, everything I made it. Okay, so here you can see once I clicked over here, we will see the toaster message as well, right? So these all already I have explained how you can do that one, and many things I have explained, and now the part is coming to how you can make as a single project where it will be looks like this. So here you can see I made a portfolio for myself. So here you can see many things I have implemented. If I'll go for the login, here we can see the many functionality I have implemented about the AG grid and how the numbers and everything. And if you'll go to this tab, many tables I have created, and here you can see many functionality I have implemented. Here we can see if you'll upload the Excel, so how it will get uploaded here, how the table will get fetch the data. So this gonna I'm going to implement one by one. So this is the purpose. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, so you will get a update one by one. So whatever I'm going to implement, so here you can see the translation also works here well and good. And let's come to our part. So this is the first step which I made it. So if you'll go to the Angular material, here we having a toolbar, right? So I took the toolbar of this one. Okay, this is similar looks like. So I made some color changes and all, so I just copy from here. If you want to copy the code from there, so what you have to do here is just go to the source code and then come to this line. From here to there you just copy and paste it in the code, so you will get the code here. So this is the exact code what I have ever it is written there. So few functionality I have included because these things already it was there in my code. So already I made a videos, so just I have included to time being to show you so how it's work and all. Okay, let's come here, and here you can see this is the complete code. Only I have changed this mat icon for login purpose. If you'll see here, this icon is different, right? So once I click over here, this is getting called. So if I'll open this, here you can see I have called the click function here method. So if I'll go inside this open dialog box, I have tried to open the sign up component with these details. Once it is got opened, so I am sending it data to the backend. Okay, everything is same, just I have included the translation. If you have in your code as a translation, you just add it. And here you can see I have added a drop down as a language selections. Here if I'll go to the UI, here you can see this is the drop down selection for the language change. So if I'll change to Hindi, it is also works. So this is already I have shown in the video how you can implement the translation in your code. Okay, and similarly just I will show you the some CSS code. If you'll go to the this one, language options and custom drop down, language options and custom drop down, I will show that one. See, here we having a custom drop down. So here you can see the look and feel how it looks and background color. Okay, so based on this one I made it. And if I'll go to the language options, here we have the class for this one. Okay, so let's come here. Only just these two class I have added for drop down, and that's it. So now the part is comes to the this place. So here you can see, so one by one I will implement the complete logic here. So as of now the user will do as a sign up, so how they will log in. So I will try to make as a backend code with the ready. So here I have used as a different backend code. So here I am going to use the local host. If you have done the something in the backend side, so I will try to with the get this data saving in the backend code with the help of .NET code. Okay, so I have not explained about ocelot and all, so I will explain in the next video how you can do as a ocelot. So as of now, if you'll see here, these are the ocelot configuration. These are the two API which is getting called now. So as of now I am using 1234 as a ocelot. So if I'll go to the code for the sign up form, here you can see I am calling the localhost 1234, then API, then API method, controller name and method name. Okay, so today in this video just I'm trying to elaborate like what and all things I'm going to implement. So the today concept is like I am going to start from here, complete project. So how you can do as a complete project. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, so you will get up to date everything. So what if you should not miss any videos. So if you'll go to one by one, so definitely you will reach it out whatever I have implemented here as well. So I am going to implement many things here. So the type change, see here we having a many things, right? Here we having a type change. So this type change, let me go to the example. Here we can see these selections, right? So if I'll go to my case, here we having a this one. So this style CSS I have made it with the help of Bootstrap. If I'll go for the mobile support, here you can see the header, this one is coming how it is. So let me stop the inspect element. So now here you can see this is the expand and collapse how it's work. So for example, if I'll touch outside, it will get collapse. Day night mode, everything I am going to explain. Okay, so now here you can see based on the language translation. Okay, now so this is how I have implemented. If you have any doubt, please let me know. So definitely I will try to implement, I try to help you out. So this is the one which I have not done any logical code here, just I have added the translations. And login form already I have created, sign up forms. So those videos is already available. Go to the playlist if you are not able to find out, and you'll get to know. Okay, thank you so much for this video. Bye bye.